Hi, welcome back to my channel, and hope that you find this helpful if you're in this situation. So I'm flying along in my Carbon Cub S2, which I really like, but I've had now for a long time. And those of you who are observant will probably notice something. So I flew it one day. It got into a spin when I was turning, which was not expected, and I thought, that's strange. But on inspecting the airplane, I realized there's something missing here, yeah? So first thing I thought, well, I can glue it on, and then I thought, nah. So you can buy the whole assembly for like 40 bucks, I guess, and redo that if you want. But I'm looking at this here, I can see it broke off there, and then I'm looking at this. So normally you have this piece, screws on there, and it holds on the tail wheel, okay, just like that, okay. Now I'm thinking this control horn is pretty close to this, so I could have redesigned this for my 3D printer, but you're gonna have to cut it off, tear it off, and glue it back on somehow. That would be a mess, right? I made this. It's basically a combination of this and this missing piece that fell off. That's it. I made it from PETG, and then this will clip on here. You see it fits in there perfectly. So you notice this wasn't my first attempt. You can put your two screws in there. You have your control horn here. And if you just wait a second, I'll show you. So I would recommend to put the screws in a little bit at the start. Don't put them straight down. They need to go at a slight angle because it's going to sit like that. So just make sure that your screws are in there at a slight angle like that direction, okay? And then once they're in a little bit, then you can screw them on. So I've screwed it on. Okay, there you go. It fits in there like that. So here it is on the plane. I touched on there, okay. And you can see there's our control horn. I did have to twist this a little bit anti-clockwise to bring it out. Now it's working fine. Left, right, left, right. There we go. That's left, that's right. Yeah, it's working great. So guys, if you did break that off your plane, I hope my design helps you. You can print this pretty easily and you don't need to buy a whole new tail section. If you like my videos, please do subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you for the next one.